Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today we have a Ferrari Portofino. This car is brand new, straight from HR Owen. It is in just for a roof wrap, but I thought because it's a brand new car, I'll show you this video. We don't do part wraps here, but if a customer's had his car wrapped with us before, we will then do a part wrap. So that is why we're doing a part wrap on this car, before everyone complains.
Come and go like a rah-rah-rah. They don't want the to be going nah-nah-nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rule is in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a rah-rah-rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low-low. Lurking in the mode like I'm running from the po-po. Yeah. Remember when we did it for life? Was noticing all these frames got me trimming a knife. Always on some new thing, like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young, I used to dream about the palm trees. After
I was looking for the puppy.
Reach, I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be.
Okay.
Oh my days, so it's different.
I didn't mention all the bruises, I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a rah-rah-rah. They don't want the to be going nah-nah-nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm come and go like a rah-rah-rah. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low-low. Lurking in the mode like I'm running from the po-po. Yeah, I cooked it up cause I'm a hero in my own town. Whoa, we just running on our own now. Whoa, all these digits on my phone now. Working through the late night.
I think it's hard to come back. Let's go get it now. The song, yes, I'm in the zone. 2, 3.
It's running now. All this running up and down is getting funny now. I do it for myself and all you ever did was run your mouth. Yeah.
Hello, children.
Hi.
I'm back.
Hi, Uncle.
How's your day going? Nice and easy day today, yeah?
I'm out there watching all these phony ones. Yeah, and they be thinking about my own runs. Oh, how they gon' catch me when I'm all around. Oh,
It's hybrid, man. I've got hybrid this time.
they don't want the to be going nah-nah-nah.
So, just hear him. So we just finished wrapping on this Portofino. It's a little bit complicated because they made the back bit all one piece. So me and Nicco had to tack it all the way in and make sure there's no silver bit showing. I think it looks nice.
Ferrari Portofino complete. All it was the roof in gloss black. It was a very, very quick job, but it needed to be done. When you see this sort of shaped Ferrari, the roof always looks better when it's a different color to the rest of the body. This car is the replacement for the Ferrari California. It looks a little bit soft to me, I'm not sure. I wasn't a big fan of the Ferrari California, and then obviously the California T. I like the bonnet, but The rest of the car seems a little bit soft to me, including the wheels. Obviously, I am a Lambo fan. However, people are going to love this car. This is probably one of the first cars out there, and it's come straight to us from HR Owen. That is this wrap video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. We've got so much more content to come.